Hi everyone, in this video we will be looking into challenge number 3 of K8s LAN party Kubernetes challenges. The name of the challenge is data leakage, and the problem statement is exposed. File share, the target big corp utilizes outdated yet cloud supported technology for data storage in production, but oh my, this technology was introduced in the era when access control was only network based. So just by reading the statement, uh, I, I I just automatically came to know like this is something related to NFS because in in NFS because NFS is network based basically because you can restrict the access on the basis of source IP addresses in NFS. So it will be most probably related to NFS. So how to proceed with this? Again, we are provided with a shell access of a container, and if you see the root directory, you will be able to see like there is a uncommon directory. Like this is, you will not usually find this directory in normal containers or in normal Unix system. So this is something new. Now if you check mounts of the system, sorry, slash cat slash proc slash mounts, so you can see there is a um, EFS mount. So EFS is basically NFS service provided by AWS. So EFS is mounted on this folder, and yeah, so you can basically see that EFS is basically mounted on the within the container. Okay, you can also use linps like we have used in previous challenges. So in the linps output, you will be getting the same result which we saw manually. So there are two directories which are unusual in the root directory. One is slash EFS, another one is dot docker env. Docker env means it is a container. Then we checked slash proc slash mounts, and we came to know like EFS service, EFS mount is being mounted uh, in the container. And if you go into the slash EFS folder, you can see there is a file named as flag.txt, but we don't have permissions to read this basically. So if you try to read this file, you will be getting error, permission denied, because we don't have permission. Our current user is player and the owner of this file is daemon, and we are not daemon, or neither we are part of a daemon group, so we don't have permission basically to read the file. So I tried multiple things. I tried to remount this EFS share in some other directory. I created a test directory and then tried to mount this, but I failed multiple times. I tried different things. So there is a well-known vulnerability in NFS that is named as no root squashing. I tried that as well. I tried to read about that and uh, try to understand that, but no luck. Then I just took a hint. You click on hint one, and then they are referring to some of the CLI tools, NFS cat and NFS ls. And when you go to the documentation of these, NFS get and NFS ls, you will come to know like you can remotely, I mean you don't need to mount the file system. You can directly use these tools to read the files or listing the directory, listing the files in the directory. So that is what we will be doing. Then I tried to like so this is the format of the URL you need to use. Um, NFS ls is for listing files, so you just copy this and paste. IP address, just make sure it is correct. 192.168.124.98. Version 4, this we got from here. Version is 4. UID 0, so this thing we got from again from here. UID 0 and GID is also 0. So if we run this, we are able to list files using NFS ls. And you can see that NFS ls is stored at this location. Okay. Next thing is you need to read the file. For reading, you again need to modify your URL. First part remains same. NFS :/ IP address and then / name of the file you want to read from the share, and then again same things, version and GUID and UID. So if you run this and you get the flag. So this is how, I mean, you can solve this challenge. Yep. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.